Hello everyone, this is TechBizmo and welcome back once again to another video. Today we have a Aresgame 650 watt power supply. Now this video is long overdue. A company called Aresgame sent me this power supply about 3 months ago to review their product and just to make a little review video on my YouTube channel, talking about this product, this power supply. So I'm finally going to be making this video today. Now, once again, this is a 650 watt power supply. This is an 80 plus bronze power supply. So I will be going over what that lovely little badge there means, what 80 plus bronze means in a second. If you guys don't know what that means, I will go over that in just a minute. So let's just check around the box. This is not going to be like a special filming video or anything. I'm not going to have like two camera. I'm not going to have like a B-roll or anything. We're just going to have that one camera, unfortunately, so forgive me, Aresgame, for not making your review professional. Anyways, let's check around the box. We'll go ahead and I'll read aloud these lovely features. Okay, so this is a bronze power supply. That's what it says on the back. Stable power with very low electrical ripple and noise. Complete protections, OPP, OVP, UVP, SCP. Provides up to 650 watts at 40 degrees Celsius. And ultra quiet 120 millimeter fan. Active power factor correction, PFC. And then it has a 3 years warranty. Yeah, so we have the connectors. We have the main 20 plus 4 pin connector. It says on the box we have the 8 pin 4 plus 4 pin CPU power connector. So basically that means the 4 plus 4 means you can separate it and have 4 pins, 2 cables with 4 pins each. And then we have 6 SATA connectors. We have 2 6 plus 2 pin PCI Express connectors. This is like for graphics cards and stuff, very nice. We have the Molex peripheral connector, that is a 4 pin connector, 2 of those we have, and a floppy disk connector. Anyways, over here we just have some lovely power specifications, so this will just show us our power consumption, or our AC inputs, our DC outputs, all that sort of stuff. We're not going to go over that. Anyways, we're going to go ahead and get into the unboxing. There's probably going to be some, some other things I can read about inside, with documentation stuff. I've wanted to open this for a while now, but I did want to wait until my review video to unbox this, because I had planned to make this a review video and an unboxing video. Actually, I tell you what, we're going to review what 80 plus bronze means. Okay, so the 80 plus bronze rating means that the PSU is rated for at least 82% efficiency at 20% load, 85% efficiency at 50% load, and 82% efficiency at 100% load. It's a lot of efficiency. Anyways, now we can open the box. We've got this documentation here. First, when you open your box, it says, important for the best results using Aresgame products. First, please read the following assembly instructions carefully. Before assembly, please check and confirm all accessories are in the box. Blah, blah, blah. We're not going to read that. Yep, here we have the user manual. Yes, this is all the stuff that should be included. Your user manual, the power supply itself, the AC power cord, 4 cable ties, and 4 power supply screws. Which everything seems to be in here. Let's have a little look. Okay, so yeah, this is just basically showing us our installation and a little bit about the product. Alright, here we have the power supply itself, and this is a non-modular power supply, unfortunately. So I'm not able to, take these cables off. However, this is still going to be my my new driver for my desktop, because the current one that I have is giving me some issues. So we will be replacing that later on. Like all product reviewers, we're going to set that aside for now. Get to the other stuff, you know, the stuff that's not exciting whatsoever. You know, not even remotely exciting. Wow! A power cable! You know, I want to be different. We're going to go to the power supply first. I'm a different reviewer. I'm not like anybody else. I review my own products. Or, well, my own way. I like how they actually wrapped this. You can see it's wrapped very, very well. So through shipment, there should be no, you know, possibility of damage being caused. So that's kind of cool. Here we have the power supply. And sweet. I like this design. This is very nice. I like the I like their little logo there. It's a very nice design. So yeah, once again, this is a non-modular power supply, which sadly is not what I was expecting because, of course, the picture, you know, is misleading and it doesn't show any cables on the power supply. So then, you know, you get your hopes up and you think that it's a modular power supply, but then you open it up and you're like, hey, that ain't non-modular, or that ain't modular. But otherwise, this is a very nice design. I like it. We're going to be, I don't know if I'll make a video installing it in my desktop. Probably not. I'll just install it on my desktop later and let you guys know how it goes. Got some little tape here. I might as well leave that on for now. Because, you know, who knows, maybe this product is faulty and I'll need to have them send me a replacement. So yeah, once again, what is this, a 120 millimeter fan? Let's have a look. Okay, yep, this is a ultra quiet 120 millimeter fan on the power supply, so that's what's cooling the PSU. And I just love this design. This is very, very nice. And we've got a little, you know, thing. Why did my wallpaper change? We've got this little reading right here where it shows us all of our voltage outputs. So this is like the outputs for these individual cables here. Anyways, now we can set that aside. We'll go back to that later, but, you know, because I'm different, I wanted to take a look at the power supply first, because, you know, everybody else is like, ooh, let's look at the stuff other than the thing that you're mainly looking at. Okay, here's the 4 cable ties, so they definitely didn't lie about that. Forgive me. Oh, what is this? freegift.tv/AA. Facebook Messenger is required. I get a free mouse pad. That's actually really cool. So, I don't know, maybe that's expired by now because this is 3 months overdue. What was it, 2 months? 2 or 3 months, I'm not sure. But, whatever it is, it's very overdue. Here we have Quick Inspection Tool. What does this do? Oh, this just says, okay, step 1, plug in the AC cable into the power supply. Step 2, connect the inspection tool with the 24-pin connector of the power supply. Okay, so this is I guess what allows us to see if this is functioning or not. Oh yeah, this is the inspection tool. Okay, we don't need to go into detail with that. All we need to know is this is actually a very, very nice design, like very nice power supply. I'll install this in my computer in a little while, let you know how it goes. But I have some pretty high hopes, some pretty high expectations for this guy. Even though this is a 650 watt power supply, as opposed to the 750 watt that I'm currently using, a 750 watt Rosewell power supply. We'll take that off for now. I say for now. We'll take that off permanently because I ain't gonna put that back on. But yeah, I'm using a 750 watt Rosewell power supply in my workstation at the moment, and this is going to be my new my new driver. So once again, I'll let you guys know how it goes. I'll let you guys know what I think about the power supply when it's actually in use. You guys can see there. Very, very nice. We'll go around the design here, because I haven't really shown you guys around the design, around the actual body of the device, or well, the PSU. I'm not sure if this would be counted as a device. Alrighty then, yep, here's all of our connections. So our SATA power, our CPU power, PCI Express power, 20+ 4-pin adapter for our motherboards. Just your general everyday power supply connections. Forgive me for my hair, I'm aware I need a haircut. Alrighty, let's go ahead and for now set all this stuff aside. I do want to try and get that free mouse pad, because that's actually, that's a nice mouse pad. Yeah, I want that. Set the power supply here, as well as our manual. We will just go ahead and go over this. Okay, so on this side we actually have technical specifications of the power supply, so our voltage readouts, the pin connections that we have, all that basic stuff. Yeah, so our cable configuration and our output specification. Alrighty, our dimensions. Yeah, we got some troubleshooting stuff on here as well. Let's go ahead and move this side. And then once again, we have the components as well as the table of contents here. So that is very, very, very nice. We got some safety information here, as well as some installation instructions and some product features. Well, that's basically it with that. Well, guys, that's basically it. It has come towards the end of this video now, so be sure to let me know what you guys think. I will be installing this in my workstation probably right after this video, and I will make a quick little video on that, as well as letting you guys know in the video how the installation went, as well as, you know, the functionality of the power supply itself. I don't know. I think this guy's gonna work very, very well, so let's just see if my expectations were correct, if this thing works, if it functions properly. So yeah, I'll let you guys know how that goes. Also, be sure to let me know what you guys think in the comment section below. Let me know what you guys think about the design, about the PSU. I think it's a very nice PSU. Yeah, I actually am really a fan of this design. Again, not a fan of how the cabling's done. I thought maybe they would send me a modular version, but I have nothing to complain about, because, hey, a free power supply. Thank you guys for sending me this power supply. I will let you guys know how it functions in my desktop, and yeah. Once again, guys, that is basically it. It has come towards the end of this video now. Thank you guys very, very much for watching this video. Please be sure to comment, like, and subscribe, and don't forget to check out some of my other videos. That is youtube.com/TechBizmo. Once again, guys, thanks for watching, and if this is uploaded before Christmas, or heck, even if it's uploaded after Christmas, Merry Christmas, guys.